It's a simple treat, but oh so sweet. A comfort and dessert can be beat. First warm the milk, let it rise a gentle heat, like soft goodbyes. When it's just warm, but not too hot, add sugar, don't make it a lot. Sweetness is yours to decide, but remember, balance is the guide. Let the sugar dissolve, slow and smooth. The milk's now ready, the rhythm to groove. Add rice flour, starch, you choose a silky base, no way to lose. Stir it gently, keep the flow, let it thicken nice and slow. When the texture's just right, it's ready for the magic tonight. Stir the night, soft and clear. Fereni's here, warmth in every sphere, steam in the air, the comfort grows. This is the rhythm that everyone when it's thick, add rosewater sweet, 2 spoons of magic pure and neat. Now for cardamom, ground with care. In the mortar, mix the air, stir it in, let it blend. Fereni's taste that has no end. Let it cool, let it rest. Now it's time to serve at its best. Ooh, serving delights, cinnamon's grace, and here it comes with a little bite, a dance of flavors, beats and bites. Tonight a touch of warmth in every tray, simple, sweet and smooth to the taste.